Hey sand fans and lunatics, Sand Phil here. Well, today we're out at Drew's and we are going to work on the 660 Raptor. What do you think, Drew? What do we got going on? A mess?
A mess.
Well, here's what's going on. It's got a little oil leak and it's coming from right here. There is a missing part of the gasket. We kept thinking it was this bottom oil line, and we tightened it and we've done all kinds of crazy stuff to it, and it still leaks. So last weekend we figured out that gasket's leaking. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take it apart. So let's get on it. Okay, I just realized that you guys probably haven't ever seen this Raptor before. And I'm going to apologize for that, because this thing's been bouncing around my shop and Drew's shop for over a year now. This thing popped up on Facebook Marketplace, like I said, about a year ago. And what it was is a 660 Raptor that a kid tried to put a Raptor 700 fuel-injected engine in. And he just kind of butchered it. And Drew, it was cheap. Drew went out and bought it. Basically just in a crate. It was just a whole box of parts. The kid had tried to mount the 700 motor in the frame, and it just wasn't ever put together right. It never ran right. So anyway, so we tried to mess with the 700 for a while, and we just couldn't get it to run. And I suggested to Drew that maybe we should look around and find a 660 Raptor motor and just put it back together as a 660 Raptor. So a 660 Raptor motor popped up on Facebook. Drew went out and bought it. We put it in this bike, and then we really didn't mess with it a whole lot. And last time I was up at Drew's, he's like, hey, let's see if we can't get the Raptor running. And we noticed that it had an oil leak, had some problems, and we're just trying to fix some stuff on it. And that's where we're at. Oh, we regenerated the carburetor. That's it. See what we got. Kind of falling on her face or something, isn't it? What do you think?
I think second gear's out.
Do you really? No. You think?
I know a guy.
Yeah. She's a lot better than it was, though, right?
Once I hit third, it's fine.
Hey, put some gas in it.
Yeah, I need to.
I mean...
Very strange.
I'm gonna say it's popping.
Yeah, I mean it's not tuned quite right.
Yeah.
It has power on the bottom once I hit third.
Right.
But
kind of.
If you shift early, it goes.
Right.
But second doesn't feel like it's there. It's like the chain's slipping. Is what it feels
Really?
like. It's exactly what it feels like. I think second gear's out. I think they rebuilt the top end.
And second gear.
They definitely rebuilt the top end.
Yeah, the top end is clear.
I don't think they got into the bottom. Well, it's got gas.
I was gonna say I don't know that I'd fill it all the way up.
Yeah, I just wasn't thinking. I normally every time I use this, I'm filling something all the way up.
Right.
So it's full.
Well, that'll make it way easier for it to get the tank off. Oh wait, no.
No. Comes out of the center thing.
Oh, when it bounces around?
Yeah. Second ain't there.
It doesn't sound like it.
No.
It sounds like the clutch is slipping when you're riding it.
Yeah. First works fine. You just can't rev it all the way out because it's not quite tuned right.
Right.
Second ain't there. Third pulls pretty hard, but it won't rev out. Okay. So it's either too...
Yeah, it's either too lean or too rich.
Yeah. One of them, but second ain't there. I mean,
well,
I think you should test it.
All right.
I got it in neutral. The neutral light doesn't work. So we get,
So second gear's out. It feels to
it's
me
not, yeah.
like it's lean. But I guess what I'm saying is the richer lean thing is a pretty easy fix compared to the
Compared to the second gear.
second gear problem.
Well, I just gotta take it, if we pull the
Well.
engine out, I'll take it to Hot Dog and drop it off. I can take it to him tomorrow.
Yeah.
What time is it?
All right, well, we got it running, but doesn't have second gear. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna wheel this guy back in. I'll put you guys on the fast motion. We're gonna pull this engine out. Drew's gonna take it over to his buddy Hot Dogs and have him fix second gear in it, and then we'll put it back in, and then we'll see you on the next time. So anyway, we're gonna get started on that. All right, well, I'm not exactly sure what happened or when the camera kicked off, but Drew and I got the engine taken out of the Raptor. He's gonna take it to his buddy that can split the case and check second gear in it. And so that's kind of where we're at. All right, man. Well, at least, what did we get done?
Headlight, taillight.
Yep, and we figured out that it has a bad second gear. We got the engine taken out, so run that over to Hot Dog.
Yep.
And then we'll put it back together. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time. This is Sam, Phil, and Drew. Be safe out on the dunes. Bye.
What the hell?